not to warn, not to warn.
You think that I'm running in place? Y'all really testing my patience. Right before I blow up the spot, I had to get back to the base. Whoa.
Why you still testing my patience? Trying to turn me into something I ain't trying to be. All the hate is a heavy rotation. You gon' lose yourself with testing me.
Don't make me lose my mind. Don't make me lose my mind. Don't make me lose my mind, cause I'm looking like Wesley Test me. Don't make me lose my mind, cause I'm looking like Wesley Test me.
Yeah, guess I know no better. I ain't got no chills, so they call me a devil. I know. Look, I am just a luck. If you think you make it out, think it's sadly mistaken. Careful what you putting your stake in, cause I ain't got no patience and no limitations. You trying to figure me out, and I know I don't make sense, but no one's there when you call like you're trapped in the Matrix. You need to take a break from it. I think you should take 6. It's just I hold a throne and no one else can replace this. The pain will only go deeper the harder you chase it. I'm the greatest that you ever met. It's time that you face it. So tell me,
why you still testing my patience? Trying to turn me into something I ain't trying to be. All the hate is a heavy rotation. You gon' lose yourself, quit testing me.